Hello everybody, it's me Liz Marie, and today I am doing a eye tutorial using my Natasha Denona. Okay, let's start with. Hello everybody, it's me Liz Marie. Happy New Year. I hope your New Year is off to a great start. But in today's video, I created this halo eye. First time I've done that in a while, using my palette that I created, inspired by Natasha Denona's gold palette. I kind of leaned more into like the greeny tones because that's what I was more attracted to than gold. Gold is not my favorite thing to wear, if I'm being honest. Maybe during the summer more, but yeah, I created this palette using Terra Moons Cosmetics and Sydney Grace eyeshadow palettes. I will link all of them below. Pretty sure this shade and these four at the end are Terra Moons, and all the mattes and these two shimmers are Sydney Grace. I will hopefully insert right here a clip of all the swatches, the shade names on top of it, hopefully. If it's not, I'm sorry I disappointed you because I just said I would do it, but I'm gonna try. But let's get into the tutorial, and I will link everything I used on my face down below. Okay, so starting off the look with the shade Haystack from Sydney Grace, I'm putting it on my inner and outer lid and slightly into the crease. And then I'm taking the shade Beyond from Sydney Grace to deepen the inner and outer lid for this halo eye. Taking my time to build this up. And then I'm also taking Haystack on my lower lash line and then layering and blending Beyond underneath there as well. And this is just me adding more, trying to deepen up the outer corner. For me, honestly, Beyond wasn't doing what I wanted it to. I needed a deeper shade and I should have brought out maybe a darker brown, but it might have been also my eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to try this palette out many times and I shall get back to you guys. Moving on, I am taking the shade Defiance from Sydney Grace, which I absolutely love this shade, and I kind of wanted to just put it all over my lid. I'll do that for another look though, but I put this on the outer parts of the halo center, if you get what I mean. I mean, you can see what I'm doing on the screen. But yeah, using that shade, placing it on the outside of the halo, and then I'm going to try to attempt to blend it in with the Defiance. No, not Defiance. That's the shade I put on the lid. With Beyond. But as you can see, Beyond wasn't as deep as Defiance. I feel like I should have just added it more into the halo eye on the outskirts of it, you know? Should have just made it a glittery eye. Moving on, I am going to then place, I believe this shade was Caesium from Terra Moons, which is very bright, and I love it. It's such a beautiful shade. As soon as I put it on, I saw how metallic looking it was. I was like, yes, this is exactly what I wanted for this halo eye. I also took it up and blended it into my brow bone. And then this is me just trying to like blend all the shades together, make sure it meshes well. And then for the inner corner of my eye, I took this OT pretty, I think it's a duochrome shade from Terra Moons called Charon. It has like a green flip to it, and absolutely love it. Finished off the eye look with this eye pencil from Milani. I think it's just called Bronze. If anything, it'll be linked down below. And then use the Kosas mascara. And that, my friends, is the final look. Actually, it's really pretty. Okay, so I fixed up my face because there was fallout. This is the final look. And the halo eye, I'm a little rusty with it, so it's a little messy. And I have these eyeshadows from Sydney Grace and Terra Moons is so pigmented. So I can't wait to play with these more with my my own palette that I made, which you already saw in the intro, but look at it again because it's so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!